It's difficult to predict the future, but it's not impossible. Scientists rely on past data and current trends to make educated guesses about what might happen in the coming years. With this information, we can make better decisions today. Do you want to know what the Earth will look like in 2050? Keep watching to find out. We all know that the Earth is constantly changing. But what will the Earth look like in 2050? Scientists predict that our planet will be quite different in 2050. For example, the Earth's population is expected to grow to 9 billion people by 2050. This is an increase of 2 billion people from the current population. By 2050, most growth will be concentrated in Africa and Asia. What will these extra people mean for the Earth? More consumption of natural resources, more natural disasters, and more growth of the middle class. We've also seen an increase in natural disasters in recent years. One of the most recent examples is Hurricane Harvey, which took place in 2017. In total, this storm caused $125 billion worth of damage. How will climate change affect Earth in 2050? There are many effects of climate change that we will need to address in the coming decades. One of the most notable consequences of a warmer planet is sea level rise. This is due to melting glaciers and ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland. Rising sea levels will also lead to increased coastal erosion and flooding. It's unlikely that we will be able to adapt well enough to these consequences. Nature reserves and national parks could be at risk, as well as animal habitats. What will the Earth look like in 2050? It's impossible to say definitively. However, we can make some educated guesses based on past trends and current data. One thing is for sure, the Earth will continue changing. In 2050, we may not have any snow or ice, or be in a new ice age with snow and ice covering the planet. We may not have any forests because of increased CO2 in the atmosphere. In 2050, we may not have any plants or animals left because of a lack of food and water. In 2050, the Earth may be a different planet entirely. That's why it's important to take steps today to preserve what we have and create a future that is sustainable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.